Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Shan Ruddle. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I hope you stay for a little while. Today I'm going to be doing a Sips by tea unboxing. If you guys don't know what Sips by is, it is a $15 a month tea subscription. You fill out a profile of the teas of your preference and they will curate a box just for you, and they collaborate with brands to get all sorts of different types of teas in your box. So I'm excited. This is actually the March Sips by box. I got my box pretty late in the month, and I already had other videos going up, so I wasn't unable to get this up in time for March, but that's okay. April's barely started, right? It's always a good time for tea. So first, when you open it, you see the little slip here on top. When you flip it over, it has the description of all the teas that you get, and even has your name on the top, made specifically for you, which is always so nice. It comes with a little reusable muslin tea bag. You just pull off this little plastic sticker. And then also on the inside, they have disposable tea bags that you can use for your loose leaf tea to use if you so desire. All right, now we get to the best part, which is the teas they sent me. So far, they've done a really good job of curating to my tastes. I've been very happy. So we have a tea from a brand that I have tried before. This is Onion tea, and this is a tea called Kama tea. It has black tea, Indian ginseng, nutmeg, tulsi, which it's like a type of basil, it's holy basil, rose, ginger, and star anise. So, or anise, however you guys pronounce it. How do you guys pronounce it? In my mind, it's always anise. Tell me, how is it? But I'm not usually a major fan of like anise, but I've had it before in chais where I liked it, and that kind of sounds kind of like this, very, very herby with the ginseng and nutmeg and everything. So I'm willing to try that out. That will be delicious. Then, ooh, we got a chai. This is from Chico Chai, their original chai, which is a masala chai blended by hand in Chico, California. This particular chai has organic Assam tea. And then of course the regular chai ingredients like nutmeg, cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, pepper. Ooh, I like it when they put pepper in chai. I like my chai really, really spicy. So this looks wonderful. And I haven't tried anything from that brand before, so that's exciting. Here's another one I haven't tried before. This is from Arbor Teas. Oh, it's Korean tea. So I think maybe as a kid, I've tried Korean tea before. My grandpa traveled to Russia and brought back some tea that he said was from Korea. But since then, I haven't had any Korean tea. This is organic green tea, specifically the Woojin type tea. Ooh, I'm excited to try that. Okay, then, ooh, we've got a bigger package. It like barely fits in the bottom of the box here. We have a tea from Heirloom Tea Company. This is their Frozen Peak OG Traditional Roast Tung Ting or Dong Ding Taiwanese Oolong. I feel like they have gotten the message from my reviews that I am an enormous fan of oolong, specifically Taiwanese oolong. And I have tried this variety, the Tung Ting Oolong, before, and it's so, so good. I'm never disappointed in it, and I've never tried this particular brand. Where is this from? Well, I know like the tea is from Taiwan, but the actual, I'm gonna have to look at the tea company and see where they are based, but that is so cool. And I love, it puts the origin on here, which actual county and which family blended this or like roasted and made this tea. That is so cool. This is from the Chen family. I love getting tea from small family farms. If you guys like that type of thing, check out Verdant Tea. It's VERDANT. verdanttea.com. They also sell from like small family farmers in China. Not sponsored. I just really enjoy that particular tea site. And then there's a coupon in here for 25% off your first purchase from Onion Tea. All right, so now I have to decide. I always like to brew a tea up for you guys and show you how it looks. I have to decide what I would like to try. I haven't tried a chai yet on this channel. Let's try this chai out today, which is super exciting. I hope you guys have some tea ready, brew it up, and drink tea with me. got done with, before this video, with a virtual cello lesson with my teacher. It's been actually really nice not to leave the house. I will insert a video, let me scooch over maybe a little bit so it fits better, up here of what it looks like outside. We have a winter weather warning. It's April 2nd when I'm filming this, and we have a winter weather warning. The poor birds, they immediately emptied out their seed feeder, and you can tell from the very sad way I've got it placed. I have like a little suet feeder, and the little hanging thing got knocked off by a squirrel, so I've just kind of got it propped up, and the birds are still attempting to eat from it. So I just really need to get out there and refill it for them. But I just wanted to show you guys what it's like here today. It's definitely a good day for tea. You may have noticed I only brewed it for 1 minute. I find that usually that is fine, although if I want like a really amazing chai latte, I would brew it for at least 3 minutes and then heat up milk and get it nice and warm and foamy and pour that over the top and then sprinkle cinnamon. Like that's an experience in of itself, having amazing, oh, and with honey in it, oh my goodness. But this, I just wanted some just plain brewed chai with a splash of milk, so that's what we got. I have to tell you guys the story about this mug. So about a decade ago, I worked at Starbucks, and this was one of the cups from Starbucks. Now, they don't usually send their cups home with their employees, but this one got really grungy and we could not get it clean. Like someone had accidentally like written a marker on it and stuff, and they were just gonna throw it away because they couldn't use it for customers. And I volunteered to take it, and they were like, yeah, sure, whatever. Well, I managed to get off most of the grunginess, but it's kind of like, it's got lots of like just random little spots on it and stuff. And I actually kind of enjoy the story of this cup. I have no idea how long Starbucks used it, you know, for their customers and everything before I had it. Now I've had it for 10 years, and I don't know, it's kind of like an old book. An old cup is like, you think about the people that enjoyed their tea and coffee from it. But I don't know, I like to think of those things while I drink tea. Oh yes, 1 minute was sufficient. This is a really good chai. Oh yes, I can tell that it'll be really good for brewing again. Oh, that's delicious. Well guys, tell me what tea you're drinking today. I would love to know. Tea is a really good way to just relax in these stressful times. Let me know how you guys are doing. I really appreciate all of you essential workers. I know my husband is still working, so thank you guys so much for the hard work you're doing. I hope that you can take some time, maybe in the morning or evening, and relax with a cup of tea. Well guys, that was my March Sips By unboxing. Let me know if you guys got this box, what teas you got in your box. I would love to hear. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.